a triangle? Students, simply median is a line which divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Let's see in the figure. Here you can see AD is a median. Therefore, we can say that BD is equal to DC because it's divide the line into two equal parts. Similarly, for CF, then FB is equal to FA because F divides the AB into two equal parts again, and BE. BE is a median, therefore AE is equal to EC. Now let's check. In triangle ABC, D, E, F are the midpoints of sides AD, BE and CF respectively. Therefore, AD, BE and CF are called medians of triangle ABC. One more important point here, where all the three medians intersect. This point is called, means O. O is called centroid of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. So students, altitude is a line which always make 90-degree angle to the opposite side. Now in triangle ABC, you can see we have three altitude CP, BQ and AE. And most important thing, it is different from the median. It is not dividing the opposite side into two equal halves. Okay, and where all these three altitude meets, means intersect, this O point is called orthocenter. What we call orthocenter, whereas in median we call it as a centroid, right? So by definition, altitude or a height of a triangle is the perpendicular line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side, and it always make a right angle with the base of a triangle.